But we are starting off quite cold, 25 degrees this morning under a clear sky, light winds. That's the reason why temperatures managed to dip below 32 degrees again. But because of the sunshine today, that breezy southwest wind that we're expecting gusting up to 20-25 miles per hour, that's what's going to help the temperature climb today. We'll be at 39 degrees by 10, 51 degrees by noon. It'll still feel like the mid 40s around that point, but the high temperature today of 57, that happens around 3. Temperatures will actually feel like the 50s around that point. This evening, once the sun sets, temperatures will be dropping into the 40s with 48 degrees expected around 7. And temperatures not as cold tonight, but still chilly enough to want to go ahead and grab a jacket. So this is how the end of your week forecast looks like. Temperatures dropping into the 30s tonight, still looking like it'll stay above freezing tonight. 58 for the high on Saturday with more cloud cover. More cloud cover Sunday with a chance for rain, all thanks to that front that arrives Saturday night. Highs in the low 50s. Let's talk about this afternoon, though, because this afternoon we'll be at about 57 in Dallas and in Denton, 56 in McKinney and in Fort Worth. We'll see sunshine for everyone in North Texas, but a strong south wind is going to cause some issues for some of our western counties. We do have a fire danger, an elevated fire danger for our western counties because of the low humidity, that strong south wind, and dry grasses are in place, so avoid any outdoor burning if you happen to be in these areas. Hey, tonight, at least we stay above freezing. Most locations will be in the mid 30s, but again, above freezing. And that'll be the first time we see temperatures above freezing area wide in quite some time. 57 degrees the high today, 58 on Saturday. That front comes in. It does drop our highs into the low 50s on Sunday. This is not going to be an Arctic front, but certainly cold enough to bring in temperatures that are close to about 7 to 8 degrees cooler than what's considered normal for this time of the year. So that cold Arctic air has retreated towards the north, and the reason why our pattern is going to turn unsettled here over the next several days is because of this. I have a big area of low pressure that digs towards the south. This is what's going to bring in the opportunity for multiple rounds of rain, and the earliest happens on Saturday night. So let's talk about that. We'll see the cloud cover a good portion of the day Saturday, but I do think it stays dry. That front then is going to interact with that moisture that's in place, being brought on by the south winds, and we'll see a few scattered showers. This is Saturday around 8 p.m. We'll see some scattered rain throughout the night on Sunday. Saturday night into Sunday, and by Sunday morning I do think we could see a few isolated storms to our southeast, but as of now coverage looking pretty low. I have about 20% coverage not only Saturday night but through the day Sunday. Really just the hit and miss showers. Again, an isolated thunderstorm not ruled out for our eastern counties. I'm not expecting severe weather with this one. Now we do have more opportunities for rain through next Thursday. 1 to 2 inches of rain will be possible between Sunday and Thursday. As a result, temperatures though climbing into the 60s. A little hard to believe, Stacia, after starting today off with temperatures in the 20s.